anyone, right? And we don't consider that person is a perfect. Maybe something that person doesn't know about that simple question answer, right? Then we have to learn from everyone, every moment, every situation. That is a good learning. And right now you developed your habit. That's why without reading book you cannot feel happy, right? That is a big, yeah, that is a big change, means big issue for everyone, any language learner. They don't have habit. They don't have a developed habit. First of all, we have to develop our habit, because what is habit? Right now, you told you never procrastination with your learning journey, right? You know your mission, vision, and destination. You don't want to waste your time. Right now you think after 1 year, if you get any job or if you are doing job, then definitely you require promotion. And if you want to get a good job, then without English you cannot do it, right? Right. Right. That's why, because of we do, first of all, we have to develop our habit, and we cultivate that habit, means without any kind of procrastination we have to do. We think that is my daily routine, right? But people never think that is my daily routine. They only think I get up and I go to office, school, colleges, and I come back. I eat food and roaming here and there. They think that is their daily habit, right? But we consider language learning is our daily habit, then definitely we can do like a daily routine. We get up and we do brush. That kind of we have to learn also language. If we get time, anytime, evening time, morning time, afternoon time, anytime, if we get free time, then we started learning, right? Yeah, but people they want to enhance their English speaking, but they don't have cultivate trend mind. They don't have cultivate habit. They are not a motivation person, right? They always think quickly. They want to speak like a native speaker, right? Quickly they want to speak fluently, but they don't ready to do hard work. You know how much required hard work, and when you start learning journey, how much you did hard work, you can understand, I can understand how did I do hard work, right? Right. Hmm. Right. Right. Mhm. 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 Right. 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 Right, right. Because of you have knowledge. You want to miss discuss about any kind of, but you don't get chance to share your thought in front of that person, and you cannot make a 10 to 20 sentences. If you are two person to discuss about any topic, then we get chance 10 to 5 minutes to share our thought, and we discuss the thought in front of that person, right? Yeah, that's why we take topic, means storytelling is a so best technique to enhance any language. Storytelling, right? Because we imagine any movie or any kind of topic or discuss, then definitely storytelling is a required. If we take any story and we make that story on our words and we share in front of anyone, because we trained our mind, right? We trained our mind to talk. That is also required, right? Because you have a good knowledge about topic or subject and you don't have trained mind, then you don't have a fluency and then you cannot disclose in front of anyone. You have a knowledge, but you cannot speak in front of anyone and you speak one sentence and next sentence you take time, right? Then storytelling, we take one story because of kid story, any kind of book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, or any Vivekananda story, any kind of small story, and we have to discuss about it, right? Then that is a better. I'm not, right, 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 right. Mhm. Mhm. Right, right. And we have to also practice tongue twister. Not only uh, that tongue twister, your tongue twister makes your mouth flexible. Yeah, that is it. Because you have to speak, you have to learn and speak quickly, speedily. Then your mouth, you make your mouth flexible because you never hesitate to pronounce that word. You speak long time, long sentences without taking time. Because if you practice regularly tongue twister, at least one simple tongue twister, and 5 time or 10 time, we have to read and we speak. Right. That is also tongue twister. You upload, you share in group in tongue twister, and if someone they do it, it's okay. Someone they doesn't do, it's okay. But you share also tongue twister, simple tongue twister, right? Because we always make, yeah, we make mistake, sure and sure, sure and sure, right? Then if you, right. Yeah, yeah, you are right. You are right. Because of we want to enhance our English speaking, but we don't have a proper strategy, right? We never practice tongue twister. We never practice tongue twister. We have to also add a tongue twister. Storytelling also, tongue twister also. One day storytelling, or reading book, any page, or any kind of tongue twister, any grammar. We have to make a schedule. Today we read any topic, any miss newspaper or any kind of incident or any kind of book reading, right? And tomorrow we do tongue twister, and next day we will do in grammar, and next day we will discuss any topic, speaking part, right? And that kind of schedule, little bit forcing us to learn something, right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Hi. thought, I thought you are that Afghanistan girls. That's why I never welcome you. Okay. Yes. Chetra or Chetri, some few minutes ago, she connected with us when we started discussion about female. That's why I thought you are that girls. Okay. Yeah. How is going on, dear? Tell me. This day, are you going to your office? This day, are you going to your office? Okay. Wow, advance all the best, advance all the best, and upcoming